In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write anything with ClickUp Brainly. Let's start by getting into ClickUp. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then select the official ClickUp website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you can access the built-in AI features. Once you're in, open ClickUp Brain. You'll find it by clicking the brain or AI icon. And you can also access it right inside a task, either in the description area or in a comment field. This is handy because it lets you generate and refine content exactly where you plan to use it. Next, decide what you want to write. ClickUp Brain supports common writing needs like emails, reports, meeting notes, and proposals. Pick the category that best matches your goal. This helps the AI shape the structure and tone so it's closer to what you need right away. Now, craft a clear prompt. Specific instructions produce better results. For example, you could say, write a professional email requesting project approval. If it helps, include your audience, the tone you want, key points that must be covered, and any deadlines. The more context you provide, the less editing you'll need later. After you enter your prompt, give the AI a moment to respond. You'll see the draft appear, and you can scan it for accuracy and completeness. If something's missing, you can adjust your prompt or ask the AI to add details. You can also use ClickUp Brain for process documentation. For instance, ask it to create a clear SOP for onboarding a new virtual assistant. Include the outcome you want, tools involved, and the timeline if you have one. When you're ready, click. Submit to send your request and generate the content. From there, refine the draft. You can ask the AI to improve, rewrite, or expand the text. Simple prompts like, make this sound more professional, shorten this for a quick update, or add a step-by-step checklist will reshape the draft without starting over. Iterate until the tone and structure match your needs. When you're happy with the result, turn it into an actionable asset. Convert it into a task to track progress, assign an owner, and set a due date, or create a doc if you need a living document that can be shared and updated. That way, your writing becomes part of your workflow, not just text on a screen. And that's it. You've used ClickUp Brain to draft, refine, and operationalize your writing quickly and clearly.